Hello. It's gonna be a super quick one because life, work, everything. But I'm actually not going to do much more coding. I've I've been here for like about a good 40 minutes or so. Again, trying to figure out what was going wrong. And then I've decided that I'm actually going to try and debug it, but bring it into VS Code. And VS Code is what most developers use, so it's a bit more friendly to debugging, or at least I'm a little bit more familiar with it because we use it at work and stuff like that. So I'm just going to actually show you how how I'm going to do debug, and then start debugging from tomorrow because it's not been working. But anyway, the way that it's set up in Free Code Camp, you've got an in-browser style of editor, which is effectively what VS Code is. And you've already got the files, so you've got your index HTML, CSS, and your JavaScript. So I've literally just copied and pasted the code from the HTML into my index file, into styles for the CSS, and script.js, and those get referenced in here. So here you see a link rel style sheet styles.css, and that just means it picks up the styling from this .css file. Again, this might be things you already know, but even if it's for my own reference, which mostly is, I'll be able to come back later and then see it. And once the HTML is loaded, you see we also make a reference to the script.js, which has all of our JavaScript, which is where we've been working. So I've got this now in VS Code. What I'm going to do is start console logging. I want to see where things are getting mixed up. So I'm going to add a bunch of console logs to my check for straights function and see what's happening. Benefit of this, well, I say benefit, but one thing you can also do, I've got an extension called Live Server, which when I click go live will serve up a version of the HTML in browser. So I'll just show you that now. I just need to switch what I am sharing. Yeah, so you can see this isn't from FreeCodeCamp. This is actually from my laptop, and so you can see it's served on one of the ports, and I can interact with this. And I said I'll stick a bunch of console logs for you to see on the terminal what's happening, and it's not just the tests that are running, but it's actually showing me where it's going. So again, I'll show that tomorrow. This was a super short one to show setting up to debug, as it were, because I still have to turn up today, which I have, but I haven't got the chance to do much. So there you go. Keep turning up, guys, and even if you have to do little things like this, stay scrappy, man. So you still turned up, and you still got